My name is Abdullah Al Awar. I'm from Dubai, so my journey with TCMShanghai started when basically when I injured myself in playing football and I couldn't feel my knees, or I couldn't twist my knees properly, and I sought out help from TCMShanghai. So what happened at the TCM? So I was basically injured and I couldn't play football. And you know how that is to a guy. So I met with Dr. Chen, who's a fantastic professional in TCMShanghai. And after noticeably 2 sessions at TCM doing acupuncture on my knees, I felt really huge improvements. And the way that happened is these sessions where acupuncture needles were basically on my... I don't want to say that. So during my injury, I couldn't sit down properly. I couldn't exercise, and I couldn't do the stuff that I like to do. So when I met with Dr. Chen, who told me that I need to do at least 4 sessions, that was his recommendation. And I didn't want to, do pills, and because I was a firm believer of alternate medicine. And when I tried out the first 2 sessions, there was a really significant improvement in my pain on my knees. So when I felt that improvement, I said, okay, no, I'll just do a couple of more sessions as the doctor recommended. And I did around 5 sessions actually, and the pain was completely removed. And afterwards I could run, I could play football again and play paddle without any pain. So I would say I'm scared of needles myself, and the way I would tackle it is it's not as painful as being blood when you give a blood transfusion or a blood donation. It's not as bad. It's just a bit of electric tingling that you might feel. It's much more smoother. And I think when it comes to acupuncture and needles, I think it's the skill of the doctor that plays a huge role. And I think what TCMShanghai has, what other centers don't, is the skill of a really experienced and professional doctor. I think there are a lot of centers here in Dubai, and why I would recommend TCMShanghai is because of the whole collective customer experience with the skillfulness of the doctor. For example, for me, Dr. Chen, I don't think I've ever seen very good results, even from recommendations from my friends as well. So I would attest to that. So what I would say to that is, our childhood, when we grow up, we didn't usually only depend on Western medicine or just taking pills and sleeping the night, but we have our own traditional medicine. And for us, at least for me, traditional Chinese medicine is just another form of alternate medicine that is out there in the world, that we shouldn't rely 100% on the Western medicine that's there. There are other secrets to the world that I believe we should explore and we should know much more about. And there's that depth that we are missing in this region. So for me, as a full customer experience, it almost feels like they're part of your life, part of your family. They're very welcoming from the moment I step into the front desk to the therapist or the doctor that's there, that's working. The TCMShanghai has truly set themselves as a part of your daily routine or part of your schedule, your family. Yeah.